Hello and welcome to BrainBridge UPSC. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program series for Geography GS. And this is the 21st question of this series. The question is discuss the consequences of climate change on the food security in tropical countries. This question was asked in 2023. So in this question, if we talk about answer format, then first we will write about the theme of the question, which is climate change. Climate change is the theme. So we will write about it in introduction part. Then come to the main body, that is the desired question, means consequences of climate changes. Consequences of climate changes. Then there would be some adaptation and mitigation strategies. Mitigation strategies so that हम जो consequences हैं नेगेटिव consequences को कैसे हम रोक सकते हैं उसको हम adaptation and mitigation strategy में explain करेंगे and then in conclusion part we would write about the summary of the question or there would be a positive futuristic अच्छी बात वो हमारे conclusion में हो सकता है. So introduction part, climate change has profound implications for food security, particularly in tropical countries. These regions are especially vulnerable due to their geographic and socio-economic characteristics. So this is the introduction part. Now come to the main body, the consequences of climate change on food security in tropical countries. क्या क्या consequences होंगे? First is related to agricultural productivity. So agriculture productivity पे क्या असर पड़ रहा है? Due to temperature change, higher temperature can lead to reduced crop yield. Many staple crops in tropical regions like maize, rice, wheat are sensitive to temperature change. Heat stress can affect plant growth and reduce productivity. So, due to increase in temperature, crop yield would be reduced. Second, changes in rainfall pattern, unpredictable rainfall, and extended drought period can disrupt planting and harvesting cycles, leading to reduced crop yields. Floods can also destroy crops and reduce arable land, arable areas. So due to temperature increase, due to precipitation, variation in precipitation बहुत कम है, then there would be drought, बहुत ज़्यादा है, there would be flood, and further pest and disease proliferation. Warmer temperature and changes in humidity can lead to spread of pest and plant diseases, which can also devastate crops. For example, the spread of locust in East Africa has been partially attributed to climate change. Ultimately, इन सब से क्या होने वाला है? Agricultural productivity would be low. Second, fisheries and aquaculture. Due to ocean warming, rising sea temperature can affect fish population as many species are sensitive to temperature change. This can lead to reduced fish stock, which are a crucial food source in many tropical countries. Second is coral bleaching. Warmer water can also cause coral bleaching, which destroy coral reef. The reefs are vital habitats for many fish species, and their destruction can lead to decline in fish population. Third is ocean acidification. Increased carbon dioxide levels lead to ocean acidification, which can harm shellfish and other marine organisms crucial to local diets and economies. So, fisheries and aquaculture production will also be low due to change, climate change. Third is water availability. Droughts, there would be some places where droughts would be there. कहीं पर ऐसा होगा फ्लड कंडीशन हो सकता है. So droughts and water scarcity. Changes in precipitation pattern can lead to prolonged droughts, affecting the availability of water for irrigation. This directly impact crop production and food availability. Then second is reduced water quality. Quality also reduced. Flooding and extreme weather events can contaminate water sources with pollutants, affecting both drinking water and water used for agriculture. So water availability दोनों एंड है. अगर बहुत कम है then there would be drought, बहुत ज़्यादा है there would be flood, और in both condition quality of water would be low. Fourth, soil fertility and erosion. Soil degradation would be there. Higher temperature and changing rainfall pattern can accelerate soil erosion and degradation, which will reduce the land's fertility and its ability to support crops. Next is nutrient leaching, means nutrients की कमी होने लगेगी. Increased rainfall can lead to nutrient leaching from the soil, reducing its fertility and leading to lower crop yield. So अगर वहां पर drought condition है then there would be soil degradation. फ्लड कंडीशन है there would be nutrient leaching. पानी जाएगा, पानी उसके ऊपर सॉइल पे आएगा और वो धीरे धीरे लीचिंग होके वो नीचे के लेवल्स में, नीचे जो लेयर्स हैं सॉइल प्रोफाइल के, उसमें एक्यूमुलेट होगा. कुल मिला के जो अपर मोस्ट ऑफ द लेयर है सॉइल का वो इनफर्टिलिटी उसमें दिखेगी. इट मींस अल्टीमेटली एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन वुड बी लो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने कंसिक्वेंसेस ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज को किससे जोड़ा है? फूड सिक्योरिटी से. फूड सिक्योरिटी इन ट्रॉपिकल कंट्रीज. तो फूड सिक्योरिटी पे क्या इंपैक्ट पड़ रहा है उसको ही हमें दिखाना है. नेक्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिक इंपैक्ट. इंक्रीज फूड प्राइसेस. अब जब एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन कम होगा, एक्वाकल्चर कम है, फिशरीज प्रोडक्शन कम है, तो मार्केट में फूड की डिमांड तो ज्यादा है बट सप्लाई इज लो. व्हेनेवर डिमांड इज ग्रेटर देन सप्लाई there is inflation in the prices of food. So increased food price, reduced agricultural productivity can lead to higher food prices. This can disproportionately affect low income population in tropical countries, leading to increased food insecurity. Income loss for farmers. Smallholder farmers who are common in tropical region may experience reduced income due to lower yields and higher cost of production inputs like water and pest control. So agriculture करना महंगा हो जाएगा और उससे जो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है उससे हमारा बेनिफिट नहीं होने वाला है, प्रॉफिट भी नहीं होने वाला. 6 is social and political stability. Migration. People will have to migrate and displaced from their own villages. Food insecurity can lead to internal and cross-border migration as people move in search for better living conditions. This can create social and political tensions. There would be conflicts. Competition over scarce resources like water, arable land can exacerbate existing conflicts or lead to new ones. नए दंगे फसाद होने लगेंगे, पुराने में और थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. Health and nutrition. Due to lack of food, there would be malnutrition condition. Reduced availability of food can lead to higher rate of malnutrition, especially among vulnerable populations such as children and the elderly. Next is dietary changes. Reduced availability of certain foods can lead to shift in diet, which may result in poorer nutrition if people cannot access a variety of nutrient-rich foods. So these are the points in which we are telling about the consequences of climate change on food security in tropical countries. Now come to the adaptation and mitigation strategies. कैसे हम इसको रोक सकते हैं? Climate resilient agriculture. Developing and promoting crop varieties which are resistant to heat, drought and pest. ऐसे अगर हम एग्रीकल्चर ऐसे क्रॉप्स का करते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. Then improve water management, implementing efficient irrigation system, rainwater harvesting techniques, we can improve the water management. Then sustainable fishing practices, promoting sustainable fishing and aquaculture practices to protect fish stock. जो बड़ी साइज की फिशेस हैं केवल उन्हीं को हम निकालेंगे, बाकी जो छोटे हैं छोटी मछलियां उनको हम वहीं छोड़ देंगे, सो दैट थोड़ा सा उनको बड़ा होने दो. सब एक बार में ही खा के खत्म करोगे तो फिर आने वाले टाइम में क्या खाओगे. Then next point, soil conservation, adopting soil conservation practices to maintain soil fertility and prevents erosion. Early warning system, developing early warning system for extreme weather events to help farmer prepare and mitigate losses. And the last is policy support, implementing policies that support smallholder farmers and ensure food access for vulnerable population. So these are the strategies which we have to adapt for mitigation of these negative consequences of climate change. Now come to the conclusion. Overall, addressing the impact of climate change on food security in tropical countries require a multifaceted approach involving local, national and international effort. That's it. So this is the model answer of this question. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. BrainBridge, thank you.